COVID-19 has made us all painfully aware of how many surfaces we touch a day.
I went to a local grocery store and I watched an employee in due diligence spray a disinfectant on a surface and immediately wipe it off. So my initial reaction was, oh my goodness, that surface didn't get disinfected.
Scientists say most wipes or sprays take anywhere from 4 to 10 minutes to disinfect a surface.
Things like ethanol or some of the other things that will destroy the virus probably don't last long on a surface.
Meaning that surfaces need to be wiped down again and again to stay clean from a number of viruses, including COVID-19.
Driving home, I was like, there's got to be a better solution than what's currently available.
That's why scientist Christina Drake is creating a long-lasting disinfectant spray that could act in under 30 seconds and last for hours or even days, using cerium oxide nanoparticles. To develop this virus vanquisher, Drake's team is first suspending the nanoparticles in a liquid so that it can be sprayed, ensuring that once it is sprayed, a film develops on the surface and will continually regenerate, and then finally testing it against multiple viruses and verifying that it is safe.
This will be a huge leap to the disinfection,
protecting us from the unseen dangers lurking on the surface. I'm Marty Salt reporting.